Your alarm is set for 8 a.m. Every morning is the same. Hit snooze. Hit it again. Panic at 8:27. Throw on yesterday's clothes. Rush to a job that barely pays enough to get you back there tomorrow. Grab a coffee on the way that you can't really afford. But today you wake up at 4 a.m. Not because you're suddenly motivated, not because someone told you to, because you've finally had enough. This was the day you became a millionaire. You just didn't know it yet. You make your bed while the rest of the city is still asleep. You brew the coffee you already have at home instead of stopping at the drive-thru. You sit at the kitchen table. No music, no TV, just you, a notebook, and a laptop with your banking app open. At first, nothing looks unusual. Then you start scrolling. Streaming subscriptions, coffee, impulse purchases, takeout in restaurants, credit card interest, a vacation you haven't even taken yet, a car lease payment you can barely afford, one expense after another. None of them look dangerous on their own, but together, they've quietly stolen your future. You look at your paycheck. Before it even reaches your account, almost every dollar already belongs to someone else. That's when it finally hits you. You're not working to build a life. You're working just to keep yesterday alive. So you make yourself one promise. Every dollar from today forward has one job. Buy your freedom. The sun is just beginning to rise. You pour your coffee into a travel mug. Not because it tastes better, because today, every dollar has a purpose. Before walking out the door, you open your subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify. The gym membership you haven't used in months. Gone. Next, the vacation in Mexico. Your finger hovers over the cancel button. You'll lose the deposit. For a second, you hesitate. Then you press it. It hurts, but nowhere near as much as paying for a vacation you couldn't actually afford. You make yourself a simple lunch, a turkey sandwich, an apple, a bottle of water. Nothing you'd ever post on Instagram. But it isn't about impressing anyone anymore. You take one last sip of your coffee, pick up your keys, and head for the door. By the time you step outside, you've already made more good financial decisions today than you did in the entire last year. You slide into the driver's seat. The leather still smells new. A reminder of one important decision you'll have to make before this day is over. You start the engine. On the drive to work, the same thought you've had for years creeps into your head. I should just quit. You've imagined walking out more times than you can count. But today, you see things differently. Quitting would only take you further away from the future you're trying to build. You pull into the parking lot. It's still the same building. But today, you're walking in with a plan instead of a paycheck. This job isn't your destination. It's the fuel. Starting today, you'll stop doing the bare minimum. You'll take on extra responsibilities. You'll stay late when it matters. You'll learn the skills that make you more valuable. You'll become the person they can't ignore when the next opportunity opens. Every raise, every bonus, every extra dollar will buy back another piece of your freedom. The morning flies by. For the first time in a long time, you actually care. You stay focused, not because you suddenly love your job, because every skill you learn today makes tomorrow a little more valuable. At lunch, your coworkers order burgers. Someone asks if you're joining. For a moment, you almost do. Then you remember the promise you made to yourself this morning. Every dollar has one job. Buy your freedom. You smile and hold up your sandwich. Nah, I brought my own. A few laughs, a few jokes. You don't explain. You don't need to. 6 hours ago, this would have felt like missing out. Now, it feels like moving forward. Lunch ends, the afternoon drags on. Just before everyone starts packing up, your manager asks, I need someone to stay an extra hour and help finish this project. The room goes quiet. No one volunteers. Slowly, you raise your hand. Not because you love working late, because you've stopped seeing this job as a prison. Every extra hour, every new skill, every opportunity, brings you one step closer to the life you're building. The clock finally strikes 5 p.m. Your coworkers head home, but your day is far from over. The office parking lot is almost empty. Most of your coworkers are already home. You unlock your car. The leather still smells new. A reminder of the decision you've been thinking about all day. You sit there for a moment, hands on the steering wheel. Part of you wants to forget everything you promised yourself this morning, to drive home, pretend tomorrow will be different. But deep down, you know exactly where you're going. You pull out of the parking lot, not toward home, toward the dealership. The salesman recognizes you immediately. I wasn't expecting to see you so soon. Neither were you. He walks around the car. You still love it, don't you? You look at the paint, the leather seats, the dashboard that made you feel like you'd finally made it. You do love it. That's what makes this so hard. Then you remember the numbers from this morning and the promise you made to yourself. Every dollar has one job. Buy your freedom. You take a slow breath, then hand him the keys. He pauses. You sure about this? For the first time all day. You don't hesitate. You sign the paperwork, walk out of the dealership. But strangely enough, you don't feel like you've lost something. You feel like you've taken your future back. The sun is beginning to set. You still have to find another way home. But somehow, the road ahead has never looked clearer. You pull into the parking lot in your dad's old sedan. He offered to lend it to you until you could get back on your feet. Yesterday, you would have said no. Today, you said thank you. You step out and the driver's door squeaks as you push it shut. The paint is faded. The hubcaps don't match. Just a day ago, you would have been embarrassed to be seen driving a car like this. Tonight, you can't stop smiling. You walk into your apartment. You cook dinner yourself for the first time in years. Nothing fancy, just a simple meal made from groceries you already had. You sit down at the same kitchen table where this day began. The food isn't extraordinary, but somehow it tastes like $1 million. You finish the last bite, wash the dishes, look at the clock. It's only 8:15. Just yesterday, you would have spent the rest of the evening scrolling your phone. Instead, you walk over to your desk, open your laptop, and begin writing the first page of your next chapter. Your side hustle is exactly where you left it. The same unfinished website, the same half-written business plan, the same folder full of ideas. For the last 6 months, it's been waiting for you. Every night, you'd tell yourself the same thing. I'll lock in tomorrow, next week, after the vacation, after things calm down, after work gets easier. There was always a reason to wait. Well, tomorrow has finally come. You roll up your sleeves and get to work. You spend the next 2 hours learning, watching tutorials, fixing mistakes, starting over. Piece by piece, the idea that had been collecting dust finally starts moving forward. By the time you glance at the clock, it's after 11 p.m. You've earned exactly $0. No customers, no sales, no overnight success. But for the first time in 6 months, your dream isn't just something you think about, it's something you're building. You close the laptop, exhausted, but proud. This morning, you woke up hoping your life would change. Tonight, you know you've already changed it. You fell asleep that night, still in the same apartment, still with the same job waiting for you in the morning. But one day became a week became a month became a year. The lunches stayed packed. The side hustle kept growing. The investments kept compounding. Promotions came. The debt disappeared. And one ordinary morning, you opened your investment account. 7 figures. You smiled, closed the app, and made your coffee. Because the day you became a millionaire was never this one. It was the day you decided every dollar would buy your freedom.